So you're thinking about selling on Amazon, but you're not really sure, is there actually money to be made anymore? Well, what's going on, everybody? My name is Steve. I've been selling on Amazon for over a decade, and I do things quite a bit differently. I actually buy products on eBay, and then I flip them on Amazon. And in this video, I want to show you realistically how much money you can make doing this. And I'm going to show you 9 products that I actually sold over the last 3 days. Matter of fact, in the last year, I've sold over $1 million. And the purpose of this video isn't to show off. It isn't to be like, look at me, I'm so great, I'm making all this money. The purpose is to inspire you to get started, right? Now, you don't have to do exactly what I do. Again, I buy on eBay and I flip on Amazon, but there's ways that you could find these products from thrift stores, from library sales, from retail stores like Walmart, clearance section at Target. There's wholesale distributors that you can purchase from, but I love to buy on eBay because it's very easy. Anybody can do it. But you might be thinking to yourself, well, Steve, a lot of these products I'm not able to sell. I'm gated, I'm restricted. So I actually want to share with you a free resource down below as well. It's called Ungatinghub.com. It's a free 100% free website that I recently put together. And on this website, it'll actually share with you how to get ungated, suppliers to find, distributors to find, to be able to purchase products, to get ungated, and to be able to sell a lot of products that maybe you weren't able to sell in the past. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you exact screenshots of the items that I purchased. You'll be able to see how much I paid, how much I sold it for, how much profit and ROI I actually made. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you screenshots within a tool that I use to be able to analyze all of my deals, which is called Seller Amp. Now, if you're not familiar with Seller Amp, I want to give a big shout out to Seller Amp. Not only are they a sponsor of today's video, but this is a tool that I literally use every single day, that my team uses. So before we ever buy an item, we're looking at this tool to see how much ROI we're going to make, taking a look to see all the competitors that are on the listing, how many people are selling the item, how fast or slow the item's going to take to be able to sell. You can see the sales rank. You can see how many times per month the item is selling. You could also see if you're gated or restricted on a product. And there's so many more amazing features of Seller Amp. So again, I did want to give a big shout out to them because Seller Amp is a tool that, again, I could not run my Amazon business without. If you guys want to check out Seller Amp, I'll put a link down below, or you can go to rakeandprofit.com/SellerAmp. And if you use the coupon code down below, you can actually save 50% off your first month, and you get a free 14-day trial. All right, so let's get into the first item that I sold in my Amazon business. And this is an item that you could definitely be on the lookout for. Again, if you're not able to sell these products, go to Ungatinghub.com. It's 100% free to help you to find suppliers and distributors to get ungated. But here you can see the eBay invoice of the item that I purchased. Now, I did buy 4 of these for $252. And if you take a look at my Amazon invoice, I actually sold 2 of them for $281.98. So for each one of these units, I did pay about $63 each. So all in all, I was in it for $126.40, sold it for $281, and I made $100 profit on this single flip. Now, again, it was 2 units that the person on Amazon purchased, but if you take a look over here at the Seller Amp screenshot, you can see after fees and everything, I ended up making a 79% ROI, which is absolutely incredible. Now, like I mentioned before, on Seller Amp, you can actually see what the sales rank is and the monthly sales. You can see this item is only selling about 5 times per month with a 671,000 rank in the home improvement category. But the cool thing is about a lot of these products, they might not be selling 100, 200 times a month, but there might only be 1 or 2 people on the listing, as in with this case right here. And this item flipped very fast, made $100 profit, and definitely an awesome item that you should flip. Now, before I get into flip number 2, you might be wondering, Steve, how are you finding these items on eBay to then go flip on Amazon? Well, I use another tool that's called Replun Catcher, and I don't mean to be mentioning so many different tools in this video, but I know people are going to ask. So Replun Catcher is a tool that I use that essentially just crawls eBay 24/7 looking for various products. And when they're found on eBay and they're selling for a lot more money on Amazon, the software pretty much just notifies you. All right, guys, so if you're a newer seller and you're gated and restricted in a lot of products, one website I would definitely go to is christianbook.com. It is listed inside of the Ungatinghub.com website as well. But if you can't sell DVDs, you can go there, you can purchase 10 or 50, whatever they're asking for, and you could get ungated. And this is a DVD that I literally sold. I paid $40.22 for this Jurassic Park 25th anniversary DVD. This was brand new sealed. Again, I bought it with Replun Catcher on eBay, and I flipped it on Amazon for $89.99. As you can see from the seller amp breakdown, this was a 29,000 rank, which is the top 1% within DVDs. You can see this item was selling 20 times per month. And after selling it for $89.99, after Amazon fees and everything, I made $21.55 and a 53% ROI. So again, if you are new, christianbook.com, buy the amount of DVDs that Amazon is asking. If you're gated, show the invoice to Amazon and you will be able to sell DVDs. I make a lot of money flipping from eBay to Amazon, even thrift stores, library sales, garage sales, Facebook Marketplace. Again, DVDs can make you a lot of money. All right, let's get into flip number 3. And this is one of my favorite items to sell on Amazon. And if you're a beginner and you're just getting started, you're sourcing deals, you're analyzing deals with SellerAmp, one of the categories I love is the toys category. And specifically, I love flipping board games. And I wanted to share with you a Simpsons chess set that I purchased on eBay for $57.72. And I sold it on Amazon for $118.99. So as you can see from the SellerAmp screenshot, the rank was 292,000, top 4%, but I like flipping board games as long as it's under 400,000 rank. Now I will go up to 500,000 sometimes, but really the sweet spot I would say is under 300,000, maybe even under 200,000. This board game was only selling about 2 times per month, but again, a lot of these items that I'm going after and a lot of the items that you can sell on Amazon if you don't want to deal with a ton of competition is go after items that are only selling 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 times per month, because a lot of the traditional Amazon sellers will avoid these because they're thinking, well, I only want to buy items that are flipping 200, 300 times a month because they want to buy huge quantities. But there's a lot more competition with those types of items, and usually the ROI will be 10, 15, 20%, whereas with this item right here, you could see from SellerAmp, the ROI was 52%. I only had to buy 1 unit, so if God forbid something went wrong or a bunch of sellers came on, I would only be risking, you know, my buy cost of 1 item. But this item, again, paid $57, sold it, made $30 profit and 52% ROI. Not bad at all for a single board game flip. All right, guys, so staying on the toys genre, here's another toy that I flipped, and this is definitely an item that you're gonna wanna check out within the Ungating Hub website. Again, 100% free. And a brand you definitely want to get ungated with is Star Wars, okay? So this is, you know, Hasbro, Star Wars. These are 2 brands you're going to have to get ungated with. And you can see that I paid $45.25 for this Mandalorian dark saber lightsaber toy. So paid $45.25, sourced it on eBay with a replun catcher, sold it for $103.84. And again, you're gonna be able to see what I paid, my eBay invoice, you're gonna be able to see my Amazon sale, but after fees and everything, I made $31 profit. Now, hopefully you're able to see from firsthand experience that there is money to still be made on Amazon. But again, you've got to keep in mind there's so many different ways to source products. I'm sourcing all of my products on eBay and then flipping them on Amazon. There's way less competition. Not a lot of people even know that you can do it. Not a lot of people know about replun catcher. Not a lot of people are gonna be thinking, oh, I'm gonna go after a product like this that's only selling 10 times a month. But guess what? I've sold this item in the last year about 10 times and I've made about $300 profit on this item. Am I getting rich? No, but when you do this 500, 600, 800, I'm doing it about 1,000 times per month. I'm selling about 1,000 items per month. You can make a lot of money. I mean, over the last month alone, I've done over 100,000 in sales. The last 12 months, over $1 million in sales. And again, this isn't to impress you, but it's to impress upon you there is money to be made if you think outside the box, right? If you're using tools like replun catcher or SellerAmp, if you're analyzing it, if you're understanding how to read the charts, Keepa charts, and that's one of the benefits of using SellerAmp. If you don't want to pay for Keepa, which is like 20, 25 bucks a month, they've got built-in Keepa charts, they've got buy box statistics. You can really get a feel for how slow or how fast these items sell. So again, another great flip right here, $30 profit. All right, guys, let's get into the next flip, and the brand is called System Sensor. Okay, this is the PC2RK model right here. This is a brand that I've done very, very well with. Okay, so I would definitely look up this ASIN, see if you could sell it. If not, again, for the 10th time, check out the free resource. I built this 100% free to be able to help people, for the folks who are just getting started sourcing with replun catcher, using SellerAmp, because it's frustrating. But in any event, this is a great brand. I sell a lot of products within the brand System Sensor, and this is a home improvement item that I paid $49. $114.32 for. And I've sold this item many times before. I sold it in this instance for $114.87, and it came out to 79% ROI. Again, you could see the full breakdown here on SellerAmp, but you could also see that under alerts, it says DG. That means it's a dangerous goods item, okay? So I'm not gonna talk too much about this in this video, but when you buy items that are under the dangerous goods program or even hazmat, sometimes you can't sell them, or there's certain rules that you have to follow. Like for example, Amazon gives discounted carrier rates when you're shipping items to them, but if it's under the dangerous goods program, you're gonna have to pay more for shipping. So that's something that we account for. But at any rate, sold this for $114, made 79% ROI on one single flip. And I've sold this item a bunch of times before. Don't shy away from the home improvement category. That's one of my favorite categories to flip, and I don't see a lot of people selling within that category. Now, speaking of categories that a lot of people are scared of as well, they don't think that you can sell it. They think you're gonna get in trouble. They think, expiration dates. They think, it's gonna cause a lot of problems. But I've had a lot of success dealing with two brands, okay? One of the brands is Brother, and another brand is Lexmark. And if you take a look at this item right here, this is a Lexmark toner that I purchased. And the cool thing about toners is there's no expiration dates on it. Whereas if you're dealing with ink, there will be expiration dates, and you're gonna have to follow the rules of dealing with products like grocery or ink that has expiration date. It has to make sure the expiration date's, I think, 6 months out. Again, I don't deal with a lot of expiration items, but in any event, I purchased this toner for $115 and I sold it for $206.87. Now, I should let everybody know I'm 100% FBA. So I do fulfillment by Amazon. So everything that we purchase in our business, again, we buy it on eBay with a replay catcher, and then it gets shipped to our prep center, which receives all the inventory. They prep it, they ship it to Amazon FBA, and then Amazon, they will pick it, pack it, and ship it, fulfilled by Amazon. So I never have to see any of these products. I don't have to touch these products. And this product right here, it made $60 profit and 52% ROI. And this is an item that customers like. If you take a look here at the SellerAmp screenshot, you can see it has a 4.5-star rating, 37 reviews. You could even see the ASIN, the UPC, you can see the eligibility. This is another item that's under dangerous goods, so there are gonna be some back-end additional cost to ship this out because you're not gonna get the discounted carrier rates. But this is a great item, top 3% within the office products category, which again, check out a website called Adorama, okay? It's gonna be in the free website, Ungated Hub, but that's a website that I've used to get Ungated for quite a few office supply products. So if you are a beginner and just getting started, definitely check out adorama.com. It's a great website. But in any event, $60 profit, 52% ROI, another great flip that I highly recommend if you can sell or get Ungated for. I'm doing really well with Lexmark. Flip number 7, okay? If you guys are on the newer side, or maybe you've been selling for a while, this is a great item. I have flipped, honestly, probably like 50 of these over the last 4 or 5 years. And this is one of those old Sony cassette recorders. Now, there's a bunch of different models and variations, but this one is the M527V. Again, this is on the dangerous goods program. I sell a lot of products in the dangerous goods program, which you could see here on SellerAmp, but this item's 193,000 rank inside of the electronics category. I love flipping electronics, although you do have to be careful because some of these items can be returned for some pretty crazy reasons. A lot of times people just don't know how to use the electronic and they return it. Also with these, you got to make sure that the batteries are not corroded inside, which could cause some issues. But this item only has one sale over the last month, but guess what? It only took me like 15 days to sell this item. Bought it for $99.99, sold it for $229, made $106 profit and 106% ROI. Definitely a fantastic item. And again, my model is different. And I'm not telling you guys you should do what I do, but if maybe you're doing traditional, retail arbitrage, online arbitrage, or maybe you don't have $30, $40, $50,000 to start a wholesale business or private label, or you don't want to import from China, there's a lot of opportunities, literally just using Replay and Catcher, analyzing the deals with SellerAmp, buying them on eBay, flipping them on Amazon. You only have to buy 1 or 2 products. You don't have to buy a million, and there's not a lot of competition on these items. But yeah, this was a great flip. The old discontinued Sony stuff, it's very safe. I've never had issues with counterfeits. I've never had issues with IP complaints. Although if you do mess with like Sony, with the newer stuff that's selling 500, 1,000 times a month, yes, you could get some IP complaints. But this model and what I do is very safe because I'm going after older, discontinued products. A lot of people think, well, what if you get an IP complaint? What if you get a counterfeit? It rarely happens, guys. I've sold almost 10,000 products in the last year, over 50,000 in the last 5.5, 6 years. And my account's perfectly clean. It's clean as a whistle. I've got, some high pricing errors and different things, but I've got no IP complaints. I've got no counterfeits. And even if you do get a counterfeit, there's ways to kind of get rid of them and clean your account, which I talk about in other videos. But this was a great flip right here. So let's move on to the next. All right, let's get into flip number 8. And this is a brand that recently has become hard gated for a lot of people. And I talk a lot about the different restrictions and gating inside of Ungated Hub, which, I've mentioned probably more than I should have in this video, but it's a free resource. But one of the things about Lego, and I did buy this item for $38.35 and sell it for $73. I made $17 profit. One of the things that kind of sucks now is if you're a new seller, some of the brands might be hard gated, which means they're going to tell you we're not accepting applications. If that happens, what you're going to have to do is just sell other brands, get your volume going on your account, and hope that down the road they lift these hard restrictions. So I just want to be clear, within the Ungated Hub free website and everything, there are going to be some brands like Lego that you might not be able to sell. Now, if you can sell Lego, I want to be very clear about this. Some of you guys are sitting on a gold mine. Some of you guys watching, not the new sellers, but if you've been selling for a couple of years and you could sell brands like Lego and Brother and Hasbro and you don't have to get ungated, and a lot of times this is because your account's older, you have selling history, Amazon trusts you more. So if you're new, the more you sell, they're going to trust you more and they're going to kind of give you the ability to sell more brands. But if you could sell brands like Lego and some of these other brands that are hard gated, you have a huge advantage over other Amazon sellers. Now, if you're new, you're probably thinking, well, screw you, I don't care about that. I'm just being honest. There's a lot of folks out there sitting on a gold mine. If you could sell brands like this, I'm telling you guys, you could storefront stock other sellers and find really great products through SellerAmp of items that you could flip. You could use Keep a Product Finder. You can use Replun Catcher to source. The main point I'm trying to make is you're sitting on a lot of money because there's hardly any competition now on Amazon with some of these brands because so many people aren't willing to get ungated. They didn't know about Ungated Hub. They're just being lazy. So I'm telling you guys right now, if you could sell brands like Lego, go hard. There's so much money to be made and the returns are very low. All right, guys, now I want to get into the last item that I flipped. And this is a brand that you probably never heard of before. Now, this is kind of, it's like one of those door hinges. Like anytime you open up like a bathroom or a commercial door, there's a hinge that, pretty much is, working with the structure and the door to open and close it. It's a hydraulic, heavy duty door closer, whatever you want to call it. But I sell these things so much, guys. I bought this for $210, sold it for $380. If you can get ungated in LCN, it's a tools and home improvement item. I absolutely crush it with this. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, Steve, you're flipping a lot of high ticket stuff. Do I have to go after items that are selling for $100, $200, $300? Absolutely not. But just to be clear, guys, I've been selling and doing this model of eBay to Amazon flipping and online arbitrage for over 5 years. So when I first got started, I was mostly flipping books. I was flipping DVDs. I was flipping cheap board games and CDs. So if you're new, I would start with those lower end cheap items, and then eventually over time, as you build up your capital, you could start to invest in products that are selling for 50, 100, 200, spending more money because you essentially make more money doing less work, right? Instead of having to sell 1,000 items to make 50,000, why not sell 1,000 items to make 100,000, right? Now there's obviously limits to it and it's not as easy as it sounds. You got to build your repluns list over time, but I prefer to deal with higher ticket products because it's less work. I can make more money, less time, less repricing, less just dealing and managing the inventory, so on and so forth. So just want to share with you guys a really great brand that I would definitely be on the lookout for, which is LCN. All right, guys, so that is the video. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to smash that like button. If you have any questions about selling on Amazon, getting started, getting ungated, using SellerAmp, Replun Catcher, analyzing deals, drop questions down below. I make videos every single week, usually about 3 videos per week, and I prioritize making videos about questions that people have in the comments. So I'm just super grateful to have you guys here. Thanks so much for watching. Big shout out to SellerAmp, guys. If you're not already using SellerAmp to analyze your deals, you're missing out big time. It's the best tool ever. I've been sharing it and boasting about it way before SellerAmp's even been, helping to sponsor this channel. So big shout out to SellerAmp. Check out the links down below. Get a free trial, use my coupon code, save some money, and get your Amazon business off the ground. Whether you're brand new, intermediate, or an advanced seller, there's a lot of money to be made and there's a lot of opportunity. So with that being said, guys, see you in the next one. Much love.